How to monetize YouTube in 7 days. Just copy and paste videos like this and get results just like this. This is from a business model called YouTube automation. When you start a new YouTube channel, according to YouTube, they have a criteria of 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time in a year to be eligible for YPP or YouTube Partner Program, which is nearly impossible for a new creator to complete in 30 days. The solution is to be very simple. I will share with you 2 ways to monetize videos in next 7 days. Monetization method 1, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to make money from YouTube just by putting an affiliate link in description. What happens is when someone buys anything, you get a commission. For example, if you run a YouTube automation channel like Body Hub, which is in health and fitness niche, you can promote weight loss programs and supplements to your audience and make insane profits. This is just the beginning. You can make recurring commissions with some products. Now, the question that most ask is where to find affiliate products. You can use websites like ClickBank and Digistore24, which can help you to get amazing high ticket products, and you can make $100 on each sale. Monetization method 2, CPA marketing. This is the less explored method and very few people use this. CPA means cost per action, and it's the foolproof way to monetize because in this method you don't need to do anything. Imagine when someone does an action like super easy things such as putting their email ID, you can make money. You can make up to $30 per person without selling anything. Imagine you have 100,000 views and only 1% of them, that is 1000 people, take action. You can make as much as $30,000 per month without selling or doing any of the extra work. I feel you can understand the possibilities that are massively waiting for you and how you can monetize in 7 days and use YouTube automation. Want to know more? Click the link in description to unlock 67 niches for YouTube growth. Today in this video we're talking about how you can make money with the help of YouTube Shorts. And I know that there are hundreds and thousands of people. For example, right now we are here in YouTube, and onto the explore section we can see a creator on the rise up here, which is Henry. So we can see that he is posting shorts like this. Okay, so McDonald's isn't a fast food company. We all know that it's a real estate business. McFlurry straw isn't a straw. Here we can see all these creative options, or that means all the shorts that this guy is making. Red Bull's trick to get you hooked. Okay, so all these shorts are being made by this person. So do we have to show our face? No. Either you can show your face or you can do one thing, that is what I say, YouTube faceless channel, okay, or YouTube cash cow channel. So what happens in a faceless channel is that the whole channel doesn't depend on you. That means you can actually give it to a team or you can do it yourself without showing your face. And how you can do it, it's very simple. For example, we take a topic like for example, if we go up here and it's like Starbucks is actually a bank, so we write it as Starbucks is actually a bank. Okay, so we can see actually, and then we can see different topics like Starbucks is actually a bank. Is Starbucks actually good? Is Starbucks actually ethical? Is Starbucks actually coffee? Is Starbucks actually hiring? Is Starbucks Spotify actually free? Is Starbucks espresso roast actually espresso? Which Starbucks is the original? So there are so many options, so you can make all of these. Okay, so what you can do here is a special trick that I'm showing, that is you can click on to report inappropriate predictions, and then you can actually copy all of this because you do not need to actually write. So then you can simply copy, and after that you can paste it on your Google Sheets or wherever you want to keep. Okay, so right now we are here in this Starbucks is actually a bank. Okay, so right now we can see there are so many things, but let's copy this for now. Okay, so after that I'm going to be showing you step by step what you can do and how you can monetize your YouTube Shorts. Okay, so right now we can see an article by Medium. So let's open Here we can see there are so many options, that is, there are so many articles that are being written. Okay, so here we go onto the Medium article, and I think it would be really effective to be true. So here we can see that is Starbucks also a bank? Some of you might have heard about that fast food giant McDonald's is in the real estate business. Also, that's Harvard and Stanford are hedge funds with universities. So right now we can see all of it, the story of Starbucks and whatnot. So we're going to be going on to my video, so we can copy all of it, and you can actually copy all of it, or then you can take the inspiration from this writing, and then you can go on to writer. I have given a link in the description. If you want to write it by yourself, or if you want to hire someone, you can do exactly that thing. For example, you can go on to Upwork and Fiverr. I would prefer Upwork to be true, because you can, whenever you're working on a long-term basis, it is a better place. That's what I feel as of now. So right now, if you need to go on to Lumen 5, you can use Pictory AI, you can use InVideo, you can use Lumen 5. All these are script to video softwares. Okay, if you don't want to pay anyone, you just, if let's assume that you are doing it yourself and you have got $0 in your bank. Okay, so right now we can actually skip this thing. We can skip, and after that we need to do something, that is, we need to paste the article. For example, you have written all the script that are needed, and then you can actually do the thing. So here is the story that you need to put in. So let's put in the story, and after that, for example, we need to actually paste it up here. Or we can do another thing, that is, we can paste the URL. That means what? That means I can actually copy this thing, and then I can put the URL up here, and we can import every single thing. Okay, so I have written all the script up here, so you can see the script. The script is here, and right now we can choose something, that is, use AI generated to generate summary. We don't need that. We need use every sentence in the story, so we can convert it to video. So the video is being generated, and I'm going to be showing in the meanwhile that how you can actually monetize the whole thing from the first day itself. So for this, we need to go on to Google, and then we need to write Digistore 24. So we are going to be using a marketing technique, that is affiliate marketing. What happens is that we need something to sell, right? It can be a digital or a physical product. So Digistore 24 is basically a right platform, a marketplace. Then you can go on to Digistore 24, and after that you can go on to marketplace, because there are no shady things that are being done. So you can see that there are so many products that are available for us. So we need to click on promote now, and after that we are going to be getting a unique link, and whenever they purchase, for example, this unique product, we are going to be, let's assume that we are selling it. So whenever they buy it, we are going to be getting a commission. So it's really simple, because we do not need to make any website. We do not need to outsource, or we do not need to make any product. We do not need to do any all of that, all the taxation, all the company formation, all the website designing, paying to developers and whatnot. So we do not need to do anything whenever we are starting by. So this is the easiest way that we can actually use, so that we get real results. And for example, whenever, let's assume you start a channel just like this, and after that you can easily monetize from the first day itself. So enough of talking. So we can right now see that our video is being made. Yes, within few minutes, I mean just within 5 minutes, you can make a simple video. Okay, so you can see, some of you might have heard that fast food giant McDonald's is in the McDonald's here is in the real estate business. So we can see up here Starbucks. So we can see a Starbucks coffee up here. So what is happening? So the artificial intelligence is being used to make videos just like this, and the best thing of all is that the Starbucks, since it's written Starbucks up here, that's why you can see a Starbucks image. And if you want to change the design, if you want to change the video, you can do it. I would say, I would recommend that use Pictory. I mean, I love it. I myself use Pictory, and that's why I'm recommending it. I'm using Lemon 5 because it's free as of now, and it's going to be staying free forever, as they have said. So you can use all of these images and you can use all of these tools, but I personally prefer Pictory because it is really efficient. That what I have felt is okay. So there are some tools and techniques that I must feel that Pictory has better, that is auto sync, and we can use different tools and techniques for making our videos better. Okay, as of now, let's see that our video is being made, and we can see this is the thing that they have made. So if you might say that I want to change the format, because here you can here you can see that the format is in 16:9 and I cannot do it for short. Very true, you are absolutely right. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using a vertical mode. So that's why I need to shift it to vertical, and I just need to press one button, that is to go on to format and change it to vertical. And then we can do as a story format and as a verticals, whatever we want to choose. And then we need to click simply publish. Okay, so let's wait for this. And after that, for example, we come into here. So let's assume that this is a business related content. Okay, so right now we need to come into business or e-marketing and all that stuff. Let's come into internet marketing and e-business. Okay, so we can promote offers just like this. For example, secret millionaire bot. Okay, so this is by secret millionaire bot. Here we can see tube monetization by Matt Power. So we can see that we can actually upload and we can actually promote all of this. And you can see we are going to be getting 50% commission on a 997 front end product. So it's that amazing, it's that easy to be true. So what's going to be happening is that the cancellation rate, the cart conversion, and all these things are really great. And here are something that is $1 million replicator. So here are some tube monetization and automation product. Okay, so this is simply amazing because you are going to be able to promote all of this. For example, if you are into health and fitness niche, that I myself prefer because it's an evergreen and you do not get all that scammy, schemy, shady things. And this is like a keto diet that you can actually promote. And after that, you will be able to actually promote it, and you will be keeping, for example, you can go on to this channel, Henry Belcastro, and we can see that onto the video section we will be able to see that there is something amazing that's happening. So let me close all of it, and after that we can go on to the video section, and after that we will be able to see something, the new era of new era of blogging. And what, so you can see this guy is uploading like every single day, yet is $5 brand. Okay, it's million, it's a $5 billion. Okay, it's a $5 billion brand. Somali's pirates have better profit margins than Apple. So we can go on to this, and you can see our website written up here. So you can do the same thing with your product. And then, for example, we come into this henrybelcaster.com, views on startup, travel, and the universe. So this guy's website to be true, and you can actually promote your affiliate offer just like this, and you can make some real great commissions. What you need to do is that you need to register now, and after that you will be able to understand that this is going to be amazing. But if you want to get a real automated way to make money online using artificial intelligence, I have given a link in the description that you should always be following, because that system is simply amazing. And it's true that I am not the one who is teaching up there, but it is something that I have seen is working for real. I mean, the results are amazing to be true. That is the real thing. That is the real deal that I would say, because it is simply just amazing. And I have seen people getting results just like anything real easily.